Okay, for the first way that I have demonstrated ISTE Standard 6B, showing evidence that I have grown as a professional and that I've demonstrated continuous learning is that I achieved my level 1 Google certification. This really laid the groundwork for the other activities that I have completed in this class. And I do have plans to accomplish getting my level 2 and my certified trainer in the future. Through getting the Google certification, I was able to learn about a lot of tools that I didn't previously know about, and I was able to share that with people that I work with through my practicum. Also, as part of the practicum experience, I did have to do a technology survey of my school and really see what their needs were, and that way I could develop the appropriate activities that would help these fellow teachers grow. Most of our teachers, as you can see through this, about 64% use technology in our classroom on a regular basis, and they do feel like technology helps the students, but quite a few of them felt like they still needed a lot of technology help. And from that, I was able to develop some strategies through the practicum in order to help the professionals I work with grow in their teaching. And finally, through this, I also demonstrated a toolkit for teachers to use that can be used with other technology coaches or educational leaders in order to support their technology implementation. And this was a slides presentation that I created about data literacy and what it means to become data literate and how we can use that with our students. This was a really interesting process to go through for me, and I did actually take it a step further and develop some more tools for this for use in our school. But being data literate is something that is very important to have that continued growth, as we are focusing on having data-driven instruction. And this is key as a technology coach to show people how technology and the use of technology can combine with the data to transform what we're doing into something that's actionable, that we can actually use the technology to transform our education and to use the data in order to do that. And these, again, are resources. This is a toolkit that can be used throughout our school as we discuss with the teachers about how they can work as a team in order to develop a plan that is effective for student growth. And that is really important as a leader, is to work together in a team and to give purposeful instruction that contribute to the growth, so that we're not just collecting data for the sake of data, that we're not just having meetings for the sake of meetings or professional development just for the sake of passing off hours, that we can really use technology to achieve our goals.